Let's see how to create Do Not Touch poster in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to create a Do Not Touch poster, first, we want to insert images or graphics that would explain our poster. It says Do Not Touch. And to do that, first let's go ahead and head on over to the Insert tab. And from here, click on Icons. And this window should pop up where you can select your icons. And for the Do Not Touch poster, you want to insert two particular icons. First is an open hand, and the next one is a prohibited sign. So let's go ahead and search for hand. Let's select this one right here. Insert that into our document. Make sure that change the text wrapping into one of these with text wrapping so that we're going to be able to move it around in our document. Now let's change the size, make it a bit bigger so that it fits nicely into the page. For example, right there. Now let's go ahead and insert another icon. It says prohibited. And should be this one right here. Now let's change the size of that icon as well as the text wrapping. Let's go ahead and move that to the back. Right there. And let's change fill to that of a red one. That it looks like a prohibited sign. And from here, let's adjust our prohibited sign, move it forwards. And as you can see, now we have a Do Not Touch poster. And as a final touch, let's add a text box down here at the bottom that says Do Not Touch. And let's change the font, make it bigger. And just like that, we now have a Do Not Touch poster. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.